Rhode Island Red is a breed of chicken that was developed in the United States in the mid-1800s. The breed was developed in the state of Rhode Island by crossing several different breeds, including the Malay, Java, and Brown Leghorn. The breed was initially developed as a dual-purpose bird, bred for both meat and egg production, but later became more focused on egg laying. Rhode Island Reds quickly became popular due to their hardiness, docile temperament, and consistent egg-laying ability, and were widely used on farms across the country. Today, the Rhode Island Red remains a popular breed of chicken both for small-scale backyard flocks and commercial egg production. The Rhode Island Red is a popular breed of domestic chicken that is prized for its hardiness, egg-laying ability, and meat production. They have a distinctive rust-colored plumage that ranges from a deep mahogany to a lighter reddish-brown shade. Rhode Island Reds have a sturdy, compact build with broad backs and full breasts. They have a calm and friendly temperament, making them a popular choice for backyard flocks. They are known for being excellent layers of large brown eggs and are also valued for their meat quality. Rhode Island Reds are generally calm and friendly, making them a good choice for backyard flocks. They are also hardy and adaptable to different climates and can tolerate both heat and cold. They are good foragers and enjoy free ranging, but could also do well in confinement. When raising Rhode Island Reds with other animals, it's important to ensure that they have enough space and access to food and water. They can coexist well with other chickens and many other types of farm mammals, but should be kept away from more aggressive or predatory species. Rhode Island Reds are relatively easy to raise, and they do well in a variety of conditions. They are hardy and adapt well to a range of climates, making them a popular breed for backyard flocks. They are known for their excellent egg-laying capabilities, producing large brown eggs consistently throughout the year. Rhode Island Reds are also known to be friendly and easy to handle, making them a good choice for families with children. They require a balanced diet, regular access to clean water, and a safe and clean living environment. With proper care, Rhode Island Reds can live for several years and provide a steady supply of eggs for their owners.